Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to understand the Nandi Astra. This divine weapon, deeply rooted in Hindu mythology, is not a physical object to be crafted, but rather a concept of immense power. It is intrinsically linked to Nandi, the sacred bull and loyal mount of Lord Shiva. Understanding this Astra involves recognizing its symbolic representation of strength, unwavering loyalty, and profound divine protection. We will explore its origins and significance. The Nandi Astra's origins are deeply divine, stemming directly from Nandi, Lord Shiva's most devoted and powerful mount. This formidable weapon is not something forged by human hands, but rather a manifestation of divine energy. It is typically wielded by powerful deities or individuals who possess extraordinary devotion and spiritual strength, embodying Nandi's fierce protective nature and unwavering loyalty to Lord Shiva. The Nandi Astra is renowned for its incredible powers within mythological narratives. It is believed to possess immense destructive capabilities against malevolent forces, capable of vanquishing formidable adversaries. Simultaneously, it offers profound protection to its wielder and those who uphold righteousness. Symbolically, this Astra represents the ultimate triumph of Dharma, or cosmic order, over Adharma, embodying the victory of good over evil. To make or truly invoke the Nandi Astra's essence is a spiritual journey, not a physical craft. It requires cultivating deep spiritual devotion and a profound understanding of its divine origins. Aligning oneself with its power means fostering immense inner strength and unwavering faith. By embodying Nandi's legendary loyalty and protective spirit, one can spiritually connect with and manifest the powerful essence of this divine Astra.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.